What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add some of my store, my e-commerce products into my website homepage, okay, into any page of my website using Elementor for free. Normally Elementor wants you to purchase the Pro version, so the products widget goes only on the Pro version, but there is an easier solution, and I'm gonna explain this for you. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure that you are logged in on your WordPress dashboard, okay? To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin, enter with login credentials, and after, go to the page that you would like to edit. Your page gonna looks like this one, okay, with a toolbar full of options: website, customize, options, new, edit. Click on edit with Elementor. Independently of the theme that you are using, you're gonna have this option right here. Now, wait while the Elementor page builder loads, okay, the editor loads. Scroll down and click into this plus button to apply something on your page. And if you search on the widgets for products, you're gonna be able to see that it's all closed. It requires the Pro version of Elementor. No worries. Go to shortcode. WordPress WooCommerce plugin is full of shortcodes, okay? So you have no need to purchase Pro to display products, okay? Go to WooCommerce and type and search on Google for product shortcodes. And these codes is already on your site. All you have to do is use them. There is a couple of options right here that you can play with, okay? And you can even customize in the case that you want. I'm gonna use this shortcode. You can pause the video and copy the shortcode. It's quite simple. It limits the products and share how many columns I want. So 8 products. I have 6 on my store, so it's gonna display all that I have until 8. Let me keep it as 6 to avoid future issues. Columns 6. It's columns 3. And here is the result. Now all I have to do is hit the row, apply some margin to the top, I think it's okay right here. And all I have to do is publish my page. Let's view the live website. And here is the final result. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.